And I want to show you the integration that we've added for the drummer outliner to be able to post to Micro.blog. I'm going to show a couple things here. This is drummer on the web. I also have a tab for my for Micro.blog, and I have a tab for what my test blog looks like on the web. So in Drummer, you can have multiple outline documents. Usually someone will create one called blog that has blog posts that are tied into the old school system, which you can publish to like this, tools, build my blog. For Micro.blog, we could keep using this document, but I think I want to create a new file that's just for my microblog posts. So I'm going to call it microblog.opml. I'll hit OK. And here I can make a new blog post. I'll hit the plus button, say hello world from Drummer. And one thing I have to do is make this outline public. So I'll do File, Make Outline Public, hit OK, and it'll give me the URL for where this outline file is on the web. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard and then go back into Micro.blog, click on my account, click on Edit Feeds, and there's this link, Outline URLs are set in your blog settings. This is new. Click on that, and I'll just paste in that outline file. So basically this is telling Micro.blog for this blog, I'm using this test blog, and if you have multiple blogs, you can select another one. Here I have a whole bunch of blogs, including my main blog, manton.org, but I want to use this test blog. For this test blog, I am associating this outline file with the blog. I'll hit Update OPML, and Micro.blog also, when it's saved, adds this copy drummer script, and I'm going to copy this to the clipboard, and I'll show you what that's about back in Drummer. Because in our outline with our blog post, we want to be able to tell Micro.blog, hey, there's a new post in this outline, publish it to Micro.blog. And we can do that with the scripts menu. Say File, Special File, Scripts menu. This adds an outline that will be the scripts menu up here in Drummer. And I can paste in that script that I had in Micro.blog, hit Tab to make sure that it's under the scripts menu. And then now when I say scripts, I get this published to Micro.blog item. And you can click through. This is just a 2-line script. It basically tells Micro.blog, it requests this URL and passes the current outline document and tells Micro.blog, update this, the outline changed. So if we go back to our outline, we have this microblog post, short, simple, say scripts, published to Micro.blog, and then that notifies Micro.blog that this outline has changed. So there's a little bit of a setup, but once it's set up, you don't have to do any of this anymore. You can just type, you can hit plus. This is another new microblog post. Drummer automatically saves it, just take a couple seconds. And then again, I can say scripts, published to Micro.blog, and that notifies Micro.blog that I made a change. So let's go back into Micro.blog, and I'll actually go into my saved posts, and I'll see that, yes, indeed, they're here. Hello, Wonderful Drummer. This is another new Micro.blog post. And then Micro.blog, of course, will be publishing this to the web too. If I go out to my test blog on the web and I reload the page, I see that we've got these new posts from Drummer. Back into Drummer, a couple of things you can do. You can use style text. You can also create a longer post. This is a title. Just indent it like this. First paragraph, second paragraph. You can also use Markdown. This is a quote because Micro.blog is going to interpret any HTML Markdown in the post. So you can write in Drummer and then publish it to Micro.blog, and that's the feature. A couple of things that don't work. It doesn't recognize deleting posts in the outline. That's something you'll need to manage in Micro.blog if you make any of those kind of changes. So it's kind of an experiment, but I hope you enjoy this. And if you like Drummer and you want to write in an outline, it's another way to access Micro.blog. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.